girl Kia.
It's your girl Nyla.
It's Vlogmas Day 6. Today we are baking. So we're baking cookies and we're baking cupcakes. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And turn on that notification bell.
Period. So without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we get into the video, we're going to be clean. So we're going to each get a squirt of hand sanitizer, and then we're all going to be wearing some gloves. All right, so go ahead. So we'll get back with you guys when we all have our gloves on. The ingredients we're going to be using is
Spoons, a cup and a cupcake tray, a bowl,
And another bowl.
we're going to be using pan, milk, and butter.
water, and oil.
We obviously have these cupcake mix. Oh, no, we have two different, I say cupcake mix. We have two different cookie mix. So these are the two cookie mix. I know it's probably can't see. Go up to the camera and show them. Show them both of them here.
You see it?
So these are the two cookie mix. I know you guys still can't see, but it's all right. One is called Funfetti and the other one's called
Sugar cookies.
Sugar Cookies. They're both sugar cookies, but they're just two different brands. I'm going to bake these cupcakes. It's by the same brand, Funfetti. And then we have some eggs. We have some brown eggs. So let's get into the video. Now we're going to be doing teams. Well, actually, we're going to be our own individual person. But, you know, since she's a little younger, she's going to be on my team. So Christian is by himself. Kachuska's by herself. We're together, and she's by herself. Why you look sad?
So you guys want to name yourself as a co-name?
Should we?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want you guys to comment down below which team do you think bake their cookies the best. Also, we're going to be doing our own shape, handmade. So we don't have cookie cutters, so we're going to shape them with our hands. We're going to see who can cut out the best cookie shape whatsoever. So we'll be right back with you guys once we have team names. So the first team name is
Cookie Monster.
The second team is
Cooking with me.
The third team is Christelle and Kia Baking House. The 14.
Naya Gang.
So let's get this thing started. Okay, so we got everything adjusted. So now everybody's going to get a bowl. So a bowl for you.
Yeah.
A bowl for me.
Can't wait.
Christian.
Thank you. Big bowl.
Kachuska, and Christelle. So now we're just going to move these baking things out of the way for now.
Yeah, we got
To mix the powder.
We're gonna start mixing our powder because one of the sugar cookie pack didn't have sprinkles. So we put both of them in separately and we put it equal so everybody has the same amount. And we're about to mix it so the sprinkles can come in the other powder, alright? We'll be back.
To 375. So that's preheating the oven to 375 so we can start baking our cookies. So yeah, he's doing that, and then now we're just going to start adding our ingredients. So guys, we're going to take the butter and we're going to put some in a bowl and we're going to set it into the microwave for 30 seconds to let it melt, and then we're going to put it into our cookie mix. Y'all probably cannot see anything, but it has sprinkle.
But you can't see a sprinkle.
You can see Christians. So this is what it looks like. So now we're going to take some butter and then we're going to melt it and put it into the microwave. So we will get back with you guys after that. Where's the button? We'll be right back with you guys as soon as we're done with that. Okay, so now we're going to be putting 2 tablespoons into everybody's bowl. The pan with olive oil cooking spray. Okay, and we're just gonna let it. New all pack in the air is guess what?
New all pack in the air is guess what?
Okay. So now we're just gonna let it sit while we shape our cookie dough. We'll be right back with you guys once we are done shaping our cookie dough. So these are the results of everybody's cookie. We're going to put them under the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. So we're gonna set a timer to 10 minutes. Anybody timer?
Anybody got phone?
Phone.
10 minutes, starting now.
10
By the
minutes.
way, if you need more time, just say snooze when your timer is ringing and I'll add another 5 minutes.
Okay, so you heard that in the back. 10 minutes, and we're going to be back with you guys to bake the cupcakes. We're gonna be back with you guys to bake the cupcakes, and then we're gonna show everything at the end for the final results. And I want you guys to comment down below once again which team you think is going to do the best with their cookies. So guys, we put the cookies into the oven. As you guys can see, we put the cookies into the oven, and we'll be right back with you guys when everything is done cooking. We'll come give you guys a 5-minute update. And we're gonna do half and half. So who's gonna be on this? Who's gonna be on my team? Zina, and then Christella, and then you with Christian.
No, me and me, Kuka, and Christian.
No.
All right, y'all. So we're back, and then now we're gonna think of a team name, because you know this is the cake, and we're only doing 2 teams because there's only 2 cakes. So yeah, we'll be back with you guys when we have a team name. Our team name, no, their team name is
NC Bake. Whatever. Okay.
and our team name is Bake with the Brows. Anyway, so let's get into this video. Everybody gonna have a ball. So we not even finna tell them what to do. We just finna get baking, and whoever turns out well, that's who's gonna turn out well. And we each get our own tray.
You be bragging.
So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, this is a competition who can finish first. So let's just get started. Lot of dough left, so but that's fine. Then ours is in the oven baking for 20 minutes, and these are the cookies. Period. So far, you guys, this is a 10-minute update on our cookies. I don't know how long theirs been baking. On our cupcakes, I don't know how long theirs been baking, but ours been baking for 10 minutes so far, and we have 10 minutes left. So I don't know about them, but ours is almost over. So yeah, we'll get back to you guys. So guys, this is the results of our cupcakes. Y'all comment down below who cupcakes came out the best. Show them.
They're too puffy.
Ours hot.
Anyways, okay, so now we're gonna see who's come out the nicest, and then we're going to put some icing on top. We have these 2.
Cream cheese ice.
So yeah, let's start taking them out. So won the cupcake challenge, and who do you think won the cookie challenge. And then that's all we have for you guys. Make sure you guys stay unique, my people.